welcome to Tech Capture. So in previous video we already seen what is EBS and how we can attach EBS to our EC2 instance. So it was not only a creating EBS, we already seen how we can create a new EBS volume and attach to existing instance, and how we can mount it on the Linux. Now suppose we came across one problem that our EBS volume size is full and now we have to increase the size. How we can do that? So it's not only updating the number in your AWS console, so there are additional steps involved into it. Okay, so let me show you the problem statement. So we have an EC2 instance with EBS attached to it. Current EBS volume is 1 GB and now it's going to full, so we need to increase the EBS volume size. How we can do that? So I'm going to show you a demo where I will have EBS volume with 1 GB size, and I will fill up it with a data which is around 1 GB, and then it will show it is around going to a fill 90% or 99%, and once it is reached to above 90%, we will go and update our EBS volume with increased 1 GB. Okay, and then we'll see how we can make sure it is available for our use. So let me go to my EC2 instance which I already created. So this is my EC2 instance EBS demo which we created in our last video. We also have one additional EBS volume attached to it with additional 1 GB size. So if I go to storage, so it is having two EBS volume. One is /VDS XVDA. This is our root volume with 8 GB and additional with 1 GB size. Okay, now let me just log in into EC2 instance. Okay, and let's start with our demo. So first I'll fill my EC2 instance additional disk with some data. So I'll try to download some dummy files which is around 1 GB, and then we'll see how it will fill our space, and then we'll start modifying our EBS volume and we'll increase the size from 1 GB to 2 GB. Okay, so I am here. So if I show you ls block, so there are two disks or EBS volume. One is 8 GB and one is 1 GB size. Now if I check the current available space, okay, so you can see this one, it is around 5% only use and still having 922 available, 922 MB available. So I'll just go and search for download test file, test 1 GB file. Okay, I'll just go here, I'll just copy link address and I'll do sudo wget and I'll paste URL. Hope it should be a 1 GB. Yeah, so it is 1 GB and now it started downloading my 1 GB file. So it will take some time, so I'll just pause this video for a couple of minutes and I'll show you the result, if it will use my complete disk or it will throw an error. So what will happen to this, I'll just show you once I am into a conclusion or it is just complete the operation. Okay, so I'll just pausing my video for some time. Okay, now you can see it downloaded 89% and now it is showing cannot write, no space left on device. It means our disk is now full. So let me check this space now. Okay, so you can see for our disk it is not showing here. So if I do, okay, so it is showing here 1 GB, but here it is not showing. So 100% it is showing. Okay, so I missed, so it is showing 100% full. Okay, so there is only 20 KB space available. That's why operation is failed with no space left on device. Now I want to increase this to add more 1 GB. So how I can do that? So let me go to the volume and let's see if here it is showing something. If I go here, so currently it is showing volume. It's okay because this is mounted on a system and the state storage is full within our system. So let me go and modify. So here instead of 1 GB, now I will do a 2 GB. Okay, and let's modify it. So if you are increasing the size of the volume, you must also extend the file system to the new size of the volume. Just remember this, okay? So only increasing the volume does not help. We have to also increase the file system volume. Okay, so I'll just modify it. I'll also open this link. They have provided how to extend the file system. So we just need one command here. I'll show you which command we need. Okay, so let's go to EC2 instance. Now we increased volume to 2 GB. Let's refresh and check. Yeah, we have 2 GB here. But if you go to our EC2 instance and do df-h, it will still show 100 GB. I mean 100% full. Okay, so it is not still available for use. And if I execute the command again, it will give still the same error, because even though we increase the volume space or volume by 1 GB, it is still not used by slash my data. So how we can make it available for slash my data? And here we have the instructions. We have to execute this command sudo. I'll just copy this part, paste it. But here we have file system slash my data. Okay, so let me just execute it, and now let me check. So now you can see it is 49% full and total size is 2 GB now. So now we can actually work on increased data. So let's try to do it now. And here you can see it started again because the earlier operation was failed, and now it is having space to download a file. So it will now download a 1 GB file without an issue. So hope it is clear now how we can increase the EBS volume size and make it available for our system to use. We have to update the file system as well. Not only we have to update the EBS volume. So now here I will just wait so that it will be confirmed that new space is working fine now. So I'll just fast forward this video till the 100%. Now you can see earlier it was failed before 90%, but now it crossed 95, 96, and soon it will completely. And now you can see it is completed. So completed the file download completely, and we have complete file here. Okay, so this is the file which we downloaded. So this is the earlier which failed, and this is the one which we downloaded now. So hope you understood now how we increase the size of our EBS volume. Okay, so that's it for this video, and we'll see you again in a further video.